Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Maryam Sajjad with international news around the world. Pakistan celebrates 23rd anniversary of end tests. The Yom-e-Takbir was observed on Friday to commemorate the historic nuclear tests Pakistan conducted on May 28, 1998. Foreign Minister Qureshi lands in Baghdad for official visit. During the visit, the foreign minister will hold detailed discussions on bilateral cooperation with his Iraqi counterpart. Pandemic won't be over until 70% are vaccinated. The WHO's European director warned Friday that the COVID-19 pandemic won't be over until at least 70% of people are vaccinated. While deploring that the vaccine rollout in Europe is still too slow. Big change. Saudi Arabia introduces new subjects to education system. Saudi Arabia has announced some unprecedented changes to its education system as it has introduced new subjects that will be taught for the first time starting the upcoming education year. European Union approves Pfizer BioNTech vaccine for 12 to 15 years old. The European Union's drug watchdog on Friday approved the Pfizer BioNTech coronavirus jab for 12 to 15-year-old, the first vaccine to get the green light for children in the bloc. The United Nations Human Rights to investigate Israeli war crimes in Palestine. They decided on Thursday to urgently establish an ongoing independent international commission of inquiry to investigate violation of international humanitarian law by Israel in Palestine. Biden pitches $6 trillion budget to rebuild a new American economy. US President Joe Biden on Friday proposed a $6 trillion budget to reimagine the economy of the country and stave off Chinese competition through driving the United States into record debt, and with Congress first needing to give approval. Malaysia announces national lockdown to battle virus surge. Malaysia announced it will impose a nationwide lockdown for the first time in over a year as it battles a rapidly escalating coronavirus outbreak that has strained the country's healthcare system. Blinken says US and India united in tackling COVID-19. Secretary of State Antonio Blinken said on Friday the United States and India are united in trying to tackle the COVID-19 pandemic together, and Washington is determined to help India with its coronavirus crisis. Myanmar junta sentences 28 for attacks on Chinese-owned factories. Myanmar's junta has handed out lengthy prison sentences to almost 30 people of torching Chinese-owned factories. Take care of yourself and stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad.